Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover a disabled Facebook. First of all, what you have to do is open your Facebook app on your phone. So what you have to do, once you open the Facebook app, you have to go to your profile icon, which is on the top right corner. Click on your profile icon and then you will be able to see this page. What you have to do is click on the gear icon, which is on the top right corner, or you can also go to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy and then again click on settings. Now from here you have to search for settings. Click on the search bar and search for page status. You will be able to see this option called page status. Now if your page has any violation, then you'll be able to see all the violations on this page. So if your page has violations and it got disabled due to those violations, then you'll be able to see request a review button on this page. What you have to do is click on request to review, and then Facebook will get your request and they will review your application once again. If you're up to the community standards and haven't violated any single rule of Facebook, then your page will get back. And that's how you can reactivate your disabled Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.